Hi guys and welcome back to another video from me. Today it's day 2 of making Sword Art Online game with Unity together. It's day 2 and it's time to explain what happens in Sword Art Online. First of all, I have to say that what we are going to create is which is a castle in floating in the air. And okay, Aincrad is a castle floating in the air, but not in real life, in VR. It's a virtual castle, we can say, and it has about 100 floors and 100 boss fights, and a castle on its top. Yes, if I want to show that, and I think now you can see it. Yes, it's that black floating thing, which is called Aincrad, and yes, player spawns at floor 1, and they have to go to floor 100 to complete the mission and to beat the Aincrad. But every player will lock down in this game and they can't really go out of this game. And when the HP goes down to 0, the game ends for every player who reached to 0 HP, and yes, they will just die. And also in real life, we are not going to add this part. Maybe we add a part that if you are not available for most of the day, we will get some items from your inventory. Maybe this is better than that thing. Let me know what you think in comment section down below. Okay, and in every floor there are some big and huge space. There are some enemies spread in every floor, and you have to fight them. Okay, I'm going to say Aincrad uh, Aincrad in Google floors. Hope it shows all of the floors. Actually, you see Aincrad here. That's really. This is actually in details, but I don't know why it doesn't loads up. Okay, let's see this one. I have the pictures of glory. This one is what they have tried to create. They tried to create it, but I don't think that's look like an Aincrad. Oh, in Minecraft, Aincrad in Minecraft. I don't know, but that's Aincrad, and I don't know if they have all of the floors mapped, so we can make them. And yes, we can make all of them, cause for making floors we need maps to make, or we can make it on our own. Floor first, first floor, and say second floor. Yes. Okay. First floor is also enough. There is no map. Yes, there is no freaking map in this site, and these ads are really annoying. It's just video in total, nothing else. Maybe something else. Let's see. This is huge. This is huge. But okay. Oh, great. I think that's better. Actually, this is really... It is really small. Cause if you just compare this to this, it's really small. I don't know why. What? This doesn't make any sense. And yes, that is first floor. Actually, it's 100th floor, and I don't have any time to just go and see all of them. But that was the first floor, and yes. Okay, this was the second day, and yes, I recorded this at, and let's see here, at 3rd of July, and it's Saturday. Actually, I didn't record on Thursday and Fridays. I don't record on these days, but everything after Thursday and Friday, or before Thursday and Friday, I will upload videos in that days. And I think I've spent too much time on this video, and I think now I have to stop this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to support me, hit the subscribe button. Then turn on that notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video. Actually, I didn't say something about this Sword Art Online. Sword Art Online, Sword Art Online's helmet is something like a head cover thingy, and it covers like almost every place. It covers almost all over the brain, and actually for better experiments they won't let any signals comes from brain to your body, so you can't move and hurt yourself. But at real life, they don't know how to do this to make Sword Art Online real. So we now are stuck at this part, but if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to support me, the subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I found a ghost in the past, a memory that lasts. Seems like yesterday that we hadn't made, but this is not the way that we had planned. It's hard to understand what happened to all the times and all the places. I guess it's time I need the faces. You're not here, but you've never been so close, and that's why I say that I won't let go. Oh no, oh no, of the memories we hold. Oh no, oh no, teach me how to go on without you, and I swear I won't let go. Oh no, oh no. Ooh, yeah. So now it's been 3 years and we're all still here, living day to day, keeping your memory safe in everything we say and do. We raise a glass to you, my friend. Remember all the times and all the faces, missing you tonight. It's time to face this. You're right here. You've never been too far away to hear us say that we won't let go. Oh no, oh no, of the memories we hold. Oh no, oh no, teach us how to go on without you, and I swear we won't let go. Oh no, oh no. They say you never know what you have until it's gone. These memories keep me wide awake. I know it's been too long. On the silver screen you speak to me of all the things you wanted to be, but you live on in memory. And after all this time I start to see you are the one who got us here. Told us to cross that line, taught us to face our fears. Through stormy weather we'll stay together, and in our hearts you'll live forever. And I swear we won't let go. Oh no, oh no, of the memories we hold. Oh no, oh no, teach us how to go on without you, and I swear we won't let go. Oh no, oh no. I've stolen